to play Flowers by Miley Cyrus, the bass riff, but we're gonna do it on the guitar. The first part is super simple. It's just 3 open picks on the A string. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna hold 3rd on the A string, 2nd on the D string, back to 3rd on the A string. So all together. So easy, and we're already like a third of the way through. Then we're gonna move up to the 5th fret of the A string with our pinky 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So after 3 picks on the 5th fret of the A string, then we're gonna go 2nd on the D, back to 5th on the A, and then down to 3rd on the A with our middle finger. All together it would be 1, 2, 3. Again, that's 5, 5, 5, 2nd on the D, 5 on the A, 3 on the A. And then super easy, all we're gonna do is move our middle finger up 1 string to the 3rd fret of the E. And we're gonna pick that one 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and use our pinky on the 5th fret of the E string, and then move down to the 5th fret of the A string, and then back up to the 5th fret of the E string. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then to complete it from there, we're just gonna move our middle finger back down to the 3rd fret of the A string and just pick it twice. And then move that 1 fret lower to the 2nd fret of the A string, pick it twice. And then from there, we're just gonna start it all over. Pinky, middle finger, over again. And then there's other things that happen in between there, like, but this is a beginner video, so we're not going to cover that in this one. I'm sorry. But one thing that you should know, after about 3 patterns of what we just learned, it does go down to the 1st fret of the E string, and we pick that 3 times. Okay, and then we go to the 3rd fret of the E string, then to the 3rd fret of the A string, back up to the 3rd fret of the E string, and that's pretty much it. It'll be 1, 2, right? And then it starts over on that open A. 1, 2, 3. And is there a simpler way to play this? Absolutely there is. But learning to do it that way is not going to increase our finger dexterity. It's not going to help us get that stretch. And I'm a big believer in practicing your skills through learning songs more than just learning scales. Like, you can practice the A major scale, right? But you could also play this song. You're still using the E through the D string. You're anchoring your hand to where each one of those fingers is responsible for a certain fret. So it's very similar to practicing the A major scale. However, I find it more fun to play. So that's it. That's how you play Miley Cyrus Flowers, or Flowers by Miley Cyrus.